Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
So yesterday we were discussing about product and brand management, and we were discussing about product, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Due to continuous raining, network connection is slow, so you need to adjust to some extent. Even this is over, right? I have explained even what product includes. Characteristics of a product is also over. Types is also over. This we finished. Components of a product, right? Yeah. Now let us discuss the product component model.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, excuse me, ma'am. I'm sorry to disturb. Some are having problem in joining these teams, ma'am.
Why?
So, is there any option? Is there any option to send the link through WhatsApp to join the meeting, ma'am? Or like they need to join from the link which you have shared shared to official mail IDs only.
Official mail IDs. You are having your in your mail ID. You are having the link, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You
ma'am.
share it to
There is
others
like no
also in
link,
WhatsApp.
ma'am. It's like join the meeting. Is only option of join the meeting. No link is
Join
showing
the
in the.
meeting. Let me see if I can find any link.
Yes, ma'am. So they are having some problem to log into those
Why?
mail
What
IDs.
happened? Mail IDs, huh?
Yes,
Then they
ma'am.
can join directly from web itself.
They need to have the link to join the ma'am.
Even that also. Let me see if there is any. I'm not finding it anywhere. Let me check. I have only meeting details.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, otherwise, can we schedule the class in Zoom meeting for today? Like from tomorrow, day after tomorrow, can we like start in this Microsoft Teams? Can we start in Zoom itself?
You want it in Zoom today?
I think
Again,
few people may be comfortable in Zoom. So as of now,
yeah, I know that they are comfortable, but we were asked to take classes in this one. That's the
okay.
reason. Maybe I'm just trying to take this one. Anyhow, at any moment, whenever we start, first day
Yes.
definitely we will definitely face problems. So I
Yes, ma'am.
thought, why can't it be today itself?
Yes.
So let me see. I'll first try sending this one to WhatsApp. Even WhatsApp is also not. I need to switch
You
on.
can send it to me, ma'am. I'll forward it on our group. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second, ma.
Yes.
I'll join in mobile also. Only then I can see this one.
Yes.
You got it, I think.
Yes,
Just
ma'am. I'm sharing.
yeah. Why they're having problem in joining the class? Because already they have their mail IDs, right?
Means like one of the students, like one of my classmates said she's having problem in accessing to the mail ID.
Okay. Did she forgot her password?
I don't know that one. She messaged me that she couldn't access the thing, so she asked me to ask you, is there any way to attend the class? So I asked.
Okay, no problem. Now the link is there. I think she can join with that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Shared in the common group also.
Okay, right,
Yeah.
right. So whoever is having the problem, kindly share that link. We will
Yes.
start the session. Yeah.
Yes.
Now,
Thank
this
you,
is the
ma'am.
product. Yeah, no problem. Welcome.
Yeah.
Product component model. So in the previous slide, what we have seen is that the product components are three, right? The core, right? You have actual and augmented. We have seen with example what extra they are providing. Core is only what exactly the need is. Actual is apart from that core need, what additionally so that it looks beautiful, convenient. And augmented is apart from that, still we require certain services. Additional services which may not be necessary, but still you can provide them, right? So based upon that only this product component model was developed. So in this core component, what they are talking about core component, when you say core, what is the core of a product? It is a product platform, some design features and functional features, because a product's quality and a product, maybe we can say that why a product is preferred. It may be because of a design, it may be because of a function. Design in the sense, don't think that it's the outer look. No. Product design also gives you different aspects, just like you take, if a needle is there, all of you will use pencils, right? Pen, pencil. Have you come across the sizes of the needles in a pen pencil?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many types of pens you are using? You have ball pen, you have ink, you have gel. Even in that, the free flowing one, the color combinations, everything are there, right? So in a simple pen and pencil, if you can see these many features, we can say design. For every pen is not the same. The design is different, right? And the functionality, pencil used to be different, but later on we have pen pencil. No need to sharpen it. It's easy to carry and easy to handle. Whenever you don't want the needle, automatically it is maybe withdrawn, and whenever you want, you can switch on, right? And in one pen, you have multiple colors, right? That's a functionality. The design come functionality. What is the function of that pen? See, you wanted to underline, you wanted to highlight, you wanted to differentiate. Sometimes in a design, whenever you're maybe drawing anything, for each and every line or element, you wanted to differentiate, right? So for all those things, you require different colors. Instead of carrying multiple colors, you're carrying only in one element. You have toolkit, right? Previously, the toolkit was not there. Right? Toolkit is also one of the best examples for this functionality and design. You have a design, also functionality, right? So that is what the core product is. Here, what is the core there? Not just giving a toolkit, not just giving a pen, but the pen should include the convenience of the customer. What convenience the customer require? The convenience of not carrying so many things, reducing the weight, reducing the size, making it convenient, right? So this is what the core component is. Then what is packing? This is the actual thing. See, a product never is preferred by the customer as it comes. No, For example, take a tablet, medicines. If any tablet cover is tampered, are you going to prefer it? Never. You never want to take the risk. So packing is more important. You will get Tetra packing for liquid items, right? Tetra packing. What does the Tetra packing is communicating? What it is saying? Why they are, maybe they are highlighting that it is stored in Tetra Pak, because they are ensuring the safety. They are ensuring many other elements with that packing. And packing also is for display of so many things. You are going to display the trademark that shows what you are, who you are, your brand name, so that the customer is not confused. The price of the product, you wanted to tell how much. The quality, right? The pack itself tells what you are, where you stand when compared with the competitors. The way you are packing it and the styling you are including in everything. Right? So these are the elements what it is including. For example, if you say everybody prefers dairy milk, right? You like it. Maybe long back, maybe few years back, there was a complaint that some worms are there. It is not, as the packing is not good, the quality of the product was in question, because it is easily attractable to worms or any other things, right? So because of that, it lost some market, not just in India, but the entire world. Later on, they changed the packing. It is not just single packing, multi-layered packing. If you now observe, you'll find Cadbury wrapped in multi-layers. This was not the case earlier. You don't have 2 to 3 layers in it, but now they have increased. Nobody is talking about the product there, but they are talking about the packing there. They never said Cadbury is not maintaining quality. It is not good. It is made of any cheap quality. No. As the packing is not good, they are not ready for purchasing the product. So packing also plays a major role when you want to sell your product to the customer. It is not just about selling. It is communicating yourself to the customer. What you're communicating? You're communicating the care you have for them, their health, their preferences, and towards their necessities. Towards their necessities. So this is what is required. And when you talk about augmented, what you have in augmented? Supporting services. In the supporting services, what you have? Deliveries. How fast it is delivered. When you book anything, what is the accuracy, right? What is the accuracy level? Warranty. Spare parts. Right? Everything. Next, repair and maintenance. The installation part. The instructions you are giving to the consumers for usage. And many other service. Either pre-sale service, after-sale service, right? All these are included in supporting component. See, when you want to have anybody went to Tesla, wanted to go for a trial or anything?
Yes, ma'am. Tesla.
Yeah. What is your experience there?
Ma'am, pardon, ma'am, you have asked whether you have gone or wanted to.
No, I didn't ask you to wanted to. but whether you have test drive Tesla.
No, ma'am, I did not drive.
Okay. Anybody else? What do you know about Tesla? Tell me. It's just a car, right?
Electronic car.
Electronic car. And what additional things you know about that product? Apart from electronic, what else is there? What specialty is there with Tesla where the entire world is talking about?
It's an innovation, ma'am. Like the company is like investing more into R&D,
Mm.
and they are also into other fields in automobile industry.
Okay. Any other element? Anybody? Whatever you know about Tesla, tell me.
It uses
Founder is Elon Musk.
renewable resources.
Sorry, Ma, your voice is not audible.
It takes with renewable resources, ma'am.
Yeah, that is also the point. Hemkumar, you were saying something?
Tesla founder is Elon Musk, ma'am. He's an innovative entrepreneur. He even started SpaceX Foundation, where rockets were manufactured.
Yes.
With a low cost. Earlier, in his life, in career, he has gone to a stage of bankruptcy in 3 times, and later in the 4th time, he succeeded.
Yes.
Something
See the
different about
spirit.
him.
Yes, that's true. He is the person with wonders.
Yes, ma'am.
So many wonders are there in his life. And they definitely will act as experiences for us also. When we want to learn from others, definitely we can learn from Ellen. See, I'll tell about Tesla. When Ellen wanted to introduce it to the world, he said only one thing. I'm least bothered about advertisement. Do you know they did not spend a single pie on advertising? So many launches already who are well known. They spend millions or billions of dollars on advertising. But Tesla's marketing budget is $0 budget. It's a completely $0 budget. That's the first element. The second element, when they wanted to introduce the car, is everybody said, why you are only relying on electrical vehicle? Then he said, yes, this is what I am. I want, because this is the future. This is the future. Then somebody else asked, how we are going to do it without advertising? This is the first time you are introducing. You're not into car production. How? He said, yes, I have my own strategy. Then, do you know what his strategy is? Everybody thought that just like what all other car companies are doing, he is going to have very huge car showrooms where all the models are displayed exclusively and everybody were given a test drive and everything. He said, no, I'm not going to do it. No vehicle is for test drive. There is no test drive for Tesla. You book the car, have confidence. You book the car if you want it. I guarantee you 100% that you never will be dissatisfied. Do you know the amazing experiences what the customers are having when they first had their Tesla car delivered to their house? Just Google it. Go to YouTube and see the experiences. N number of people are there who worked desperately, waited for that to come to be delivered and to have their first experiences of driving it, seeing it with their eyes. Few people they haven't seen also. In this world where we are not purchasing a 10 rupee product or a 100 rupee product without seeing, without knowing, right? We think twice to purchase it. How? Few lakhs of rupees are spent on a car that too a durable one. We are not ready for a perishable product, but how people are ready to go for a durable product. That is the confidence he created. How he had created. He didn't provide any before sale service. He didn't talk about himself. He never advertised. He only specified what he is. And he only used the social media. Whatever he wanted to tell, he exclusively used social media, and he's able to grab the entire world. The entire world's attention every day was towards him only. How he's going to do? There are no models available. That too, showrooms are there with very less space. Only 3 to 4 staff will be there, and only they are there because few people have certain doubts. They definitely wanted to. Only for that reason he is having showrooms. It's not an exactly showroom, but an office. Rarely, right? Not everywhere. That is what he has done. Everybody thought this is not going to work out in a car business. We were staying since years. Still, we are unable to do it. How he is going to change the world? How he is going to change the perception of consumer? He is also having the same core component car, same actual components and same augmented component. He is not different, but the way he projected, the way he highlighted, and the way he is able to bring the customer's perceptual levels from the non-agreement level to the agreement level, that is more important. As the strategic way what he had adopted, the strategy what he adopted is required. And the way he implemented the strategy, not just in planning, but also in implementation. How he first itself is, okay, electric car. Second, it's for every step, he differentiated himself. He went beyond the imagination of everybody. Going beyond the imagination of everybody and being odd man out itself is the attraction. There lies the success. So, product is not a mere satisfier. It is not the only thing which is preferred by the customer. You know, many people, even though they don't have the necessity, they wanted to go for it. They definitely wanted to go for it. Even in maybe on EMI basis also, few people, they have purchased it. And youth were really crazy about it. All these things, how this has happened. We could see this craziness for Apple phone whenever it releases. The same craziness now we are also seeing for Tesla. Right? So this is the differentiation. When Apple has created, right, entire different world, Tesla again is going to create. The space station, what he has announced, is also definitely many people still are doubting whether it is possible. And he made it possible by constructing the space station at one place. I forgot the place, right? But it is there. He's slowly moving into it. So these are all the amazing things what he is doing. Not just for himself, it is about the product. Right? Everything what he is doing, he is not just increasing his brand name. Through his brand name, he is also increasing the name for his products. The brand name for its products. When the person behind is really creative, definitely the product is creative because he's crazy and we want that craziness. This is a blind belief what most of the people are having on Elon Musk. Of course, we do have We do have people who criticize him, who wanted to see when he'll go wrong, right? Of course, they are there. They'll be there everywhere in any time. We never can avoid them. This is what the belief of Elon Musk is, right? So, like that, he is doing. This is how a product is to be viewed. A product is not a mere product. It is beyond it. The core element, when you are taking, don't just concentrate on the core element. If you give the core element, people will be satisfied. No, at least now in this competitive world, nobody is going to be satisfied. Of course, core is important, but beyond that, we require many other elements also. So this is what this product component model will tell. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Yeah. So extension to it. Of course, we have only 3, but extension to it, Kotler also specified 5 product levels. What he says is, it starts with the core, of course, the basic elements. Then we have the generic product. Generic product talks about the tangible elements. What is tangible in the product? Right? Because the tangibility describes the quality of a product. What all qualities the product is having, what type of quality the product is maintaining, right? This itself will tell. The qualities will describe the quality. And expected, this is the extra. This is the extra what every customer seeks in a product. That is what is expected. Generic product plus other attributes what a consumer may expect in a product. Then comes the augmented. So in actual, what are the 2 elements Kotler included is generic and expected. This is actual. Augmented and potential is augmented. Core is as it is. There is no change in that, in this one. So 3 were made into 5. Augment, you are talking about services and everything, the image, right? Everything. Then what is this potential? Because a consumer never is going to stop what you provided. When he is satisfied with, when he uses and satisfies his all needs with the product, then he expects something else. Something else. That something else is the change, modification, a complete transformation of the product. This is what the potential speaks about. This is the future. So what the marketer wants, he never only sees the core. Slowly, step by step, he provides everything to the customer. Then what he want? He wanted the potential element to be identified. Now I'm giving all these things. In no time, my customers will come back to me and will question what else you are giving. This is what the humans will do. Right? So what else I need to do? Again, his search will start. Sometimes if he is unable to do anything with the existing product, he'll make simple modifications. What you see every day changes in your smartphones. Every phone released will have a new feature. How different it is and how useful it is, we don't know. But that is also one of the elements why a smartphone is purchased. Previously, if you buy a phone, automatically you'll use it for years. But now, 6 months. After 6 months, your phone is old. It is of no use. Definitely you wanted to replace it. This is the trend. Now, what is going on with the phones? not just with the phones. If you observe, the durability of the product has reduced. We are saying durable products, still they are there, but the lifespan of durable products also were reduced. They are not years together now. Everything is having a short span of life. This is what they have to understand. The marketer need to understand. So he is going. Whoever is coping up with this pace of modifications, transformations, and able to understand what the customer is expecting, only then he is able to survive. Else, why can't it be a giant in the market? Definitely one day it will collapse. The leader definitely will collapse. He may vanish from the market itself if he is not transforming. So this is what Kotla says. You have core, you have generic, expected, augmented, and concentrate also on the potential. So these are the 5 levels. The next topic in your syllabus is after product, it is product policy. You know what a policy is. It is a guideline. It will just guide what to do and what not to do. Right? And why we require a product policy? Why do we have a policy for product? Because product cannot be prepared as if you want. Of course, you can prepare, but you never can commercialize it. When you are commercializing the product, when you want to introduce your product to the market, what is required? You require certain specifications. You just don't want only your acceptance, but you want the society's acceptance. When you want the society to accept, consider them when you are preparing the product, when you are designing the product. So this is what the product policy talks about. What to do, what not to do. It all depends upon the level you are aiming. It can be from a niche, that too, maybe very, very local to international and global. It can be anything, but policy making is the same. And these policies are prepared by the board of directors, top management. They will decide what to do with the product. If you want any modification, simply you cannot do it. You need to get the approval of board members for modifying, because each modification is a risk. Whenever you're modifying the product, you don't know whether the people will like it or not, whether the market will accept it or not. Are you going to lose whatever market you're having currently, or else you are going to gain it? Nobody want to lose it. They wanted to gain it. So how best I can gain? That decision alone no one can take. So we require the board of directors involvement and the top management's commitment. Top management's commitment is really, really essential, not just in formulating the policies, but also seeing that the formulated policies are implemented. All the formulated policies need to be implemented. This is what is required. So what it includes? It includes strategy development, discusses about the resources, looks into the organization structure, whether it is suitable or not, and aims for market leadership. Every product policy or any decision or strategy adopted by the manufacturer, right, definitely aims for leadership. He wanted to be the leader. Slowly, steadily, he may, if he is not currently the leader, he definitely wanted to become the leader. For this, we require a strong product policy. How a strong product policy is prepared? So first, let us see what objectives we have. When any company wanted to go for policy making related to product, it divides the strategies into 4. First is for survival. See, growth is only when you survive. So first they plan for survival. Whatever may go wrong, because of this mistake what we are going to commit, can we survive? Do you have any such guarantee? Yes, go for survival policies first. Then go for growth, which is long term. When you have even growth, then go for flexibility. Right? You need to think about the flexible things. How you need to be flexible with all the changing environments, because every regulatory body will ask you to do something or the other. So how flexible you are, they'll plan for flexibility. Only then they'll plan for scalability. Right? Scalability is discussing about the valuable resources. How many valuable resources they have and how they are going to use it. First, accumulating the resources. Only then using the resources. How they have to use. Economies of scale is very, very important. When you are using, come on, look for economies of scale. That is what is scalability. Produce more, use less resources in short duration with overall less input, gain or get the maximum output. Only then you are able to save, only then you are able to offer. These are the things what they have to think. So when you're thinking about all these things, maybe I can say that these are the broad areas where the product policy is prepared. But when you go into depth, each and everything, when you take into consideration, you have n number of elements included. Right? If these are the objectives, what influences the sound product policy is the corporate product strategy. You have 3 levels: corporate, business, operational. Right? At the corporate level, at the business level, and at the operational level. Right? Or tactical level. We also call it as tactical. If you say strategy, maybe we say it as tactical. So these are the 3 levels. But policy, as policy is made at the top level, we are considering the influencing factors are there only from corporate product strategy. How the corporate is, what the corporate is. You know the difference between corporate level, business level, and tactical level? Do you know the meaning of these 3 terms? Anyone? Have you people know the difference between all these 3 levels? Hello?
No,
Am I
ma'am.
not audible?
You're audible, ma'am.
Okay. For a long time, I did not get the response. So I thought maybe I'm not audible. Just a second, maybe I'm running out of time. You don't know the difference between these 3? Okay, maybe
No,
in the
ma'am.
next class, definitely I'll explain. But currently, let me take the attendance. Up to now, whatever you have, whatever it is finished, do you have any doubts in this one? No doubts at all?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts. Let me see whether I have all the list of downloaded things or not. Is it? I thought I have downloaded it. So you are able to understand this subject?
Yes, ma'am.
So you want any sort of changes or the pace, or you want me to take more examples also? I'll take. Of course, anyhow, I'll be taking more examples later, as this is only introduction. 1 or 2 examples I'm specifying. And another thing I wanted to tell is you need to solve certain cases. I'll distribute the cases before itself, because marketing subject you cannot learn without cases. Okay, so I'll give cases to you people before in hand. You prepare. Later in the class,
ma'am.
we will discuss. Okay. See, no, I don't want anybody to skip it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give the instructions also. If anybody don't know how to solve a case, we'll solve one case in the class, maybe while live only. Remaining things we'll discuss. I'll circulate before itself and we will discuss. Okay. Yeah. Right, I think it's time, kada. 1 second, let me check, because I have downloaded the file. I don't know whether the file is downloaded or not. Else you'll be losing your attendance. Okay, no issue. All your numbers are there. Yeah, I'll end the meeting today. No issue. Thank you all. And so comfortable with Teams, right? From tomorrow onwards, I'll send only team link. Okay with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am. Thank you and good day.
Thank you, ma'am.